Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. So in this video I just found amazing trading strategy, especially beginners can use this method. So if you don't know about how to use moving average, if you don't know how to follow the moving average in order to make profit, so inside this video this moving average trading strategy can give you huge profit. So step by step I will show you how to follow this, how to use moving average in order to start your scalping, swing trading, or any coin that you want to buy for the long term. But you can follow this trading strategy in order to make profit. Okay, don't skip any part of the video, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about trading strategy, indicators, price action, even about cryptocurrencies, meme coins, crypto updates, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So following this moving average trading strategy is very simple. If you are beginner in this crypto market, although you don't know about technical analysis, you don't know about any chart patterns, even candlestick patterns, even indicators, but you can use this video in order to make daily income, because easily I will explain how to use this trading strategy. So as you can see in here, this white line, so this is the 20 moving average. Although if you don't know how to access this indicator, simply go to indicators and then in here type MA, so make sure click on moving average. So after that you can change the setting, whether you want to go with 20 length or you can go with 50, even 100 and 200. The small length you use, the quicker you can get signal. So that's why in this video I'm going to use 20 moving average. So this white line is a 20 moving average, especially moving average if the candle is above moving average, so this moving average work like support level. If the candle is below the moving average, like in here you can see, so the moving average work like resistance. If you don't know about how to find any support level, how to find any resistance level, so easily using this moving average you can understand that if the candle is above the line, it means that the line is the support level. If the candle is below the line, it means that the line is the resistance level. Okay, now how to use this moving average trading strategy in order to open your long position or to open your short position. Okay, first of all, if you check in here, so this is the moving average, 20 moving average. In here you can see the candle is below the moving average. It means that this is the resistance line. As you can see, several times we touch this line and then we fall down. But in here we just break out this moving average. Again we fall down. We just retest the moving average and then we bounce back. But from this level in here, as you can see, this is the resistance line. If I show you in here, so that's why we just fall down. You can see this is a heavy resistance line, so because of that we just get rejection and then we fall down. Okay, and here you can see this candle with the big candle, big red candle, just break this moving average. You can see the candle just break this moving average. So now what I need to do, so this candle just break the next this moving average. So if I show you the next candle, okay, now from here I can open my short position. From where? From this candle, because successfully the closing of this candle is below the moving average, so it means that now the market will go down. The structure of the market is bearish. So from the next candle I can open my short position from here. So according to your risk and reward ratio, you can set your stop loss, you can set your take profit. Like for example, my stop loss will be above the moving average line, and then my target will be, I will check according to my risk and reward ratio. So in here I will go down a little bit. Okay, in here. Okay, now if I show you, let's check. Okay, finally you can see our target just reached in here, so we just get profit. So this is how you can follow the moving average in order to make profit, in order to just make daily income. So one thing I should tell you, you need to follow this CEST. C means condition. First of all, you are just looking for condition. Once condition met, you can start your entry. So and then you will open any position. This is your entry. After that, your stop loss and then your take profit. For example, as in here, this is our condition. Condition is the candle just break the moving average. Even we just break the support level. If I show in here, we just break the support level also. You can see in here. So the condition is met in here. Okay, now your entry. So for the entry from next candle, we can open our entry, and then we are just going to set our stop loss above this and then our take profit. So this is the CEST, condition, entry, stop loss, take profit. Okay, now if I show you for the long entry, for the long position, so as you can see in here, the candle is below the moving average. Okay, now so this candle just break out the moving average. Although this is our first condition. The second condition, if I show you, we just break this support resistance level. As you can see in here, this is our resistance level. So the first condition is in here, the candle just break out the moving average, and then the candle is just trying to break the resistance level. Okay, now if I show you the next candle, and you can see in here, okay, finally we just break out this resistance level. So your entry point will be from next candle in here. This is your entry point. Okay, now your stop loss will be below the moving average. This one is better. And then your target will be, you can check the further resistance line, which is in here, as you can see. And then now if I show you, so finally you can see our take profit. We just book our profit, as you can see in here. So after that, the market or the coin just fall down. So this is how you can follow this moving average. This is how you can follow the moving average plus CEST, condition, entry, stop loss, your take profit. Okay, if I show you any other example, as you can see in here, so you can open your long position from this candle. As you can see, we just break out the moving average. Target will be this resistance level. Your stop loss will be below the moving average in here. If I show you about downward, so you can open your short position from this candle. As you can see, we just break down the moving average. Your stop loss will be above the moving average in here, and then your take profit will be your next support level. If I show you this example in here, you can see, so from several times the candle is above this moving average. Okay, now in here we just break out the moving average. As you can see, we just break out the moving average. In here we can retest the moving average, and then we can go further down, like lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So the same thing, we can just touch the moving average in order to make the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Like in here you can see, if I show you, okay, we just break out this moving average. So we made higher high, higher low, higher high, again we touch moving average, higher low, again higher high, and finally we just break out this moving average, again we fall down. So now the same thing you can see in here, lower low, lower high, lower low, again lower high, lower low, and then from here we just break out the moving average. So this is a simple and very easy the moving average trading strategy. If you have any confusion, feel free to ask me in the comment section, or you can watch the video again and again in order to solve your problem, in order to just fix your confusion. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. So now tell me in the comment section what do you think about this trading strategy. And now tell me in the comment section whether you love this trading strategy or no. So if still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So this video is end up in here, but make sure like this video, share the video with everyone so that everyone should make profit. Okay, now goodbye, see you.